Hey, welcome to Sci-Fi Show. This show is for only COVID, coronavirus, and first update is according to American Society for Microbiology that the antibody which produced while affecting the patient and after recovering 6 months to 6 months to 10 months um, the antibody disappeared. It was tested and so bad news and the antibody are immunoglobulin G, A and M. So it is short for IgA, IgG, IgM. IgA, IgG, IgM. Ig for immunoglobulin, and that disappear. What to do? So don't need to worry. Then it disappeared, but like we have a memory in our brain that like our blood have that memory, and the memory are called T cell and B cell. When illness is triggered, the B cell divided rapidly and produce specific antigen to that illness, to that virus, and it was remembered that even if a patient recovered and if a patient recover can produce fresh antibodies years after initial batch disappeared, that that this memory persists person's blood for years and up to lifetime. It may be up to lifetime. So it is a good news. So don't need to worry. Again, there is another bad news for the shareholder of COVID, Remdesivir medicine producer, that the WHO declared that Remdesivir doesn't reduce COVID-19 patient death. And another news is new blood test predict which COVID-19 patient will develop severe infection. So how is that possible? In our blood there are two components, IL-6 and IL-10. IL is the full form interleukin. Interleukin 6 is pro-inflammatory, and IL-10 is anti-inflammatory. So these are the two components in our blood with specific proportion. If they know which proportion in our blood, and they will react and they will treat us. And it was discovered by RSCI, Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland, and it is called Dublin Boston score. So the blood test name is Dublin Boston score. So as you have heard of that, the patient who suffer COVID-19 may cause long-term heart and lung disease, but after many months, it is found that they are slowly recovering from lung and heart disease. So it is a good news. And another news is congenital heart defect. The means that defect from birth. Congenital heart defect (CHD) is the defect is defect in heart, and maybe in heart, maybe in blood vessel, maybe in heart wall or heart valve. So fast scientists told that they are have a high chance to ill with COVID-19, but research research in Columbia University told that there is no relation between CSD and COVID-19.